Welcome everyone. Today I will show you how to defeather a chicken. So here you can see a whole chicken whose neck has been cut down and internals have been cleaned by the butcher. I will show you how to remove the feathers so that you can easily get a chicken with skin. Especially for continental preparations, we use this chicken that is with the skin, not in Indian preparation. So what we are going to do is we have a hot boiled water here over here in a pot. So you can see hot boiling water here in a pot. So we are going to dip this in hot boiling water like this. This will ease out the removal process of the feathers, because the feathers will become soft and the skin cuticles in which the feathers are attached will loosen, and then we can easily deskin it. So I am showing you a simple process which you can do at your home. Because it is not easy and always feasible to get a chicken without the feathers, but you want the skin. Sometimes you want to get more flavor, and skin especially is rich in fat. So when you cook the chicken along with the skin, especially when you are roasting it or baking it, then it will give a additional flavor to the chicken. So this is how you can see the process of removal of the feathers. They will easily come out once you have dipped the chicken in hot boiling water. Okay. After that we will do the singeing process. In singeing process, the small feathers which are still attached to the skin are removed by burning over a gas range burner. Okay. So once we have removed the big feathers, we are going to singe the chicken. It is known as singeing. And by the singeing process, we are going to burn the small feathers which are still present on the skin. See how perfectly the feathers is being removed from the skin. This is a broiler chicken, and broiler chicken weighs around 800 to 1000 grams. The best average weight of a broiler chicken comes out to be 850 grams. The flavors which are present in the skin, especially the fat content of the skin, is really helpful while you are making oily dishes. In Indian cuisine also you can use it, but in most of the continental preparations we use the bird along with the skin. But it needs thorough cleaning, because there is a scope of lot of bacteria and germs on the skin. You need to clean it properly. Once the feather is removed, I will show you the singeing process also. So see how clean is it looking now. So now see, once the feathers have been removed, we do the singeing process. Singeing process is done like this over a burner. We burn the small feathers which are still present on the skin by the singeing process. You see here. You can even use a wire rack for the singeing process. Be careful not to tear the skin, because if you apply more heat to the skin will start to tear up. We just have to burn most of the feathers which are present on the wings, winglet and the drumstick. Later on I will also show you how to cut this chicken into 4 continental cuts. What are known as 4 continental cuts? The internal parts, the gizzards, have already been removed from this chicken. This is a very important and useful video for all hotel management students as well as those who love to cook at home, because this will give a different flavor, different dimension of flavor when you are cooking chicken next time at your home. So it's almost done. You can see here little brownish color coming on the top. So we have completed the process of defeathering and singeing of the chicken. Now in the next video I will show you how to cut it into 4 continental cuts. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and do share this content with your friends. Thank you once again.